Boom! What's up, fam bam? It is your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live real quick with a real crypto talk analysis. I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications because I'm going to be doing more of these uh, coming up. So you might want to get tuned in. So let's jump straight into the markets. Right now, the market cap is at 2.18 trillion. Bitcoin dominance 54.1%. Ethereum dominance 12.1%. Right now, I want to point your attention to a particular coin that is exploding right now and is going to continue to explode for a couple of reasons. Now, since 2017, it's been a split community about this, but at any rate, if you do your research, you do your analysis, you'll see that they kind of correlate, they kind of run together. And so I'm pretty sure some of you guys may even know which coin I'm talking about. So let's scroll down the top coin market cap real quick and let's find exactly what I'm talking about. Boom, right here. Bitcoin Cash. In fact, let's go over to CoinGecko and look and see what it's been doing for the week. It's uh, it's dropped down to number 12, but it's up 16% for the week, 11% over the past 24 hours, 1% over the past hour. Um, and many of you are already saying, "Oh yeah, James, you're right on point with this one." But for the newbies, you may want to pay attention. It's just now starting to get its little leg up, and if you do the research, right now it's down 80% from its all-time high of 37.85.82. Right now, all-time low is 76, but right now it's sitting at $743.82. Now here is what I want to direct your attention to. This thing can get really high for several reasons. One, you got a lot of companies that are starting to considering listing Bitcoin Cash as a form of payment as they're doing other cryptos. All you got to do is just pay attention to the clues. But not gonna get into all that. One thing I want to point out is the circulating supply. It's 21 million. Circulating supply right now is 18 million. So again, this price can go up very significantly. And as you can see, the all-time high was 37.85. And so again, like I said, I'm gonna make this short, make this sweet, straight to the point. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart here, and it's just been slowly, gradually uptrending up, as you can see here. So let's look at a bigger time frame. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. And as you can continue to see, at this point, let's go ahead and establish that it's running up a trend. Let's move this down some at this point here. And I mean, listen, guys, we're in a bull run. Let's just keep it real. I can do this on any alt at this point, but I think that Bitcoin Cash can have a very significant run up. As you've seen the previous price high, okay, and nobody is talking about it at all. Nobody's talking about it. Why? Because a lot of people don't like Bitcoin Cash. But I think we're all in the business to make money. All right. So that's the 4-hour. Let's look at the daily. And as we can see here, now, boom, you see that? See how things get very significant from this sideways action. This has been going sideways since the bottom of this particular trend here, which is December 13th, 2018. So it's been running in between these two ranges here and here since, okay, 2018. It's been running in between those ranges, and right around April 2nd, 2019, it started to break that resistance area and started to make it a support area. See that? So it's just riding the support area line. And you got a whole nother range right around here. All right, because it peaked up a couple times there, and that's a all right. So as you pull back and you look into this on the daily chart, you can see that it starts to make a lot more sense. And as you can see where we are right now, it's peaking up. And we're in a bull run. And if you do the measurement of where this is up to the peak, we even gotta, let's reevaluate the screen here, bring it down here. So if we just go from here to where we are right now currently, and apologize that we had a delay in this because cancel this. All right, my computer actually died out. I had to replug back up, so I apologize for the delay and to come back in like that. And thus you see the pop-ups. So that right there is about a 500% gain. But if you are, excuse me, utilizing a MetaTrader 4 app, or if you are trading on leverage, then you might want to definitely, trade conservatively. Make sure you are utilizing risk management. Make sure you're not fucking around with those lot sizes. That way you get liquidated if you're trading on MT4, or if you're trading on leverage, you don't want to liquidate your accounts. So make sure you're not fucking around with a lot of leverage. But don't be greedy. Of course, it will have dips. So if you're trading, make sure you're paying attention to that. But for the most part, Bitcoin Cash, nobody's talking about it. And I think you can get a steal on it right now. It's pretty affordable. It's still right at $700. Snatch you a few of those, and it runs up to $4,000. $3,800 at its peak. Not bad of a good profit. And then again, I think it's going to move up higher. It's going to be one of those cryptos that's going to last. It's going to for a while. It's going to be here. Because of basically who created it, and the community and the support that it has. So I think it'll once it reaches its all time high and crosses It's all time high. It's going to go into a brand new price discovery. And from that point, hey, the sky's the limit. You never know. One advantage Bitcoin Cash does have over Bitcoin is that it is a lot faster. The transactions are a lot cheaper. I know we saw that in 2017 when they did the fork. When Bitcoin transactions were kind of getting extreme, a lot of people was dumping a lot of that money into Bitcoin Cash, and so you guys just make sure that you are aware of that. And as you can clearly see in this chart, is looking very healthy, very healthy. Traded sideways from 2018 all the way to 2020, so a little over 2 years. And so, yeah, take advantage of it, folks. I would definitely consider uh, looking at a position at Bitcoin Cash. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.